Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Oluwajoba. Is this your first time here? Hi, you're welcome. Please don't forget to subscribe and join the family, and if at any point you enjoy this video, please smash the like button and leave your comments in the comment section as well. Let me know what you think about this overall look. All right, so I have gone ahead to use my illuminator. I have prepared my face before starting my makeup. I used my primer, used my moisturizer, just prepped my skin basically. I have a detailed tutorial on how I prep my skin before makeup. I'm going to leave it in the card and I'm going to leave it in the description box below. All right, so after my skin prep, I also went ahead to use my illuminator from Ellis Clear, and I just applied that on my face, and then went in with my foundation from NYX Cosmetics, and I just used that all over my face as well. Now I'm just applying my concealer. I'm using the lighter concealer at the inner corners of my face, and also using the darker concealer. The darker concealer is about my skin color, and I'm using that at the outer part of my face. So I'm just using this concealer mix to highlight the high point of my face. I'm going in with my beauty blender and spraying my face first with my primer water, then going in with my beauty blender to blend the concealer on my face really softly, but making sure that I have an effortless blend. Once that's done, I'm going to be using first my face powder, my compact face powder. I'm just going to press that on my face, on the high point of my face where I just highlighted, and then I just follow it up closely with my Sacha Buttercup setting powder. This I will use to further set the high point of my face, and also leave some powder underneath my eyes just to catch fallout when I'm doing my eyeshadow. And then going in with my contour powder. Here I'm using my Queen Collection contour powder. I'm just going to apply that on the part of my face where I want to be contoured, or where I want to be concealed. Now that we are almost done with the face, moving on straight to the eyes. I've gone off camera to draw my brows, and if you still want to know how to draw your brows, I have a detailed tutorial on how I draw my brows on my channel. I'm going to leave it in the description box, and I'm going to leave it in the cards. I'm going to leave it in the cards as well, so feel free to check out that video once you are done watching this video. So after drawing my brows, I just went ahead with my P. Louise base to further prepare my lid for the eyeshadow that I'll be using. And I'll be going in with this, a bit of brown, a bit of purple eyeshadow as my base of my only eyeshadow today, and I'm taking that color from my EA Beauty eyeshadow palette. And once I dust that all over my lid, I'm going in with my blending brush, and I'm just blending out the outer corners of that eyeshadow that I just applied, just so that I have this very nice blend and gradient on the eyeshadow, like so. Going with my peaches and cream pigments, I'm going to apply that in the middle part of my lid. So the thing with this pigment is that I first went ahead with it without using any pigment base or any pigment glue. And yeah, it was okay, but it wasn't fabulous. And on the other eye, I went in first with my pigment glue before going in with my pigment. And guys, you can see the pigmentation that you get. It's so amazing and it's so different. Can you compare? Can you see the difference between the eyes where I applied the pigment, where I applied the pigment alone, and the other eye where I applied the pigment with with a glue, basically? So this is the difference. And so I would advise that before you apply your pigment, please ensure that you use a glue, a glitter glue or a pigment glue. It just gives the pigment something to stick onto once you apply it. Yeah, all right. So once that's done, I went on with my powder brush. Just use that to dust out the excess powder I had on my face. Now I'm just going in with this highlighter and I'm putting that at the inner corners of my eyes just to brighten up my eyes a little bit, and then going on, of course, to line my eyes. And for this, I'm using my Zaron gel liner and going straight on to fix my lashes. So the way I fix my lashes is that I put on the glue on the lashes and I just count up to 10 in my mind, and after that the lashes just stay on my eye. So that is a technique you might want to incorporate if I find it difficult to fix your lashes. And after that, I'm just cleaning my lips and then going with my brown lip pencil just to line my lips, and then following it up with this shade of lipstick. Nothing out of the ordinary. And then also using the mix, this lipstick mix at the center of my lips just to give it an ombre effect. Yeah, and that's what we have. And once I'm done with that, I'm going in with my highlighter from Dollhouse Highlighter. This is one of my favorite highlighter, guys. I'm just applying that really softly on the high point of my face just to give me that glow. So lastly, I'm going in with my MAC Studio Fix Plus to seal up the makeup, and this, guys, is what we have. I love the simplicity of this look. I use just one eyeshadow and pigment. Of course, you can use just the eyeshadow depending on what you're going for. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I hope you learned a thing or two. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Jesus loves you. Bye.